Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Tiya and this is my husband Sansindu. We call him Sandy. We love to travel for food and the beauty. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get latest notifications of my old videos. Today I'm going to visit one of my best friends, especially he's a chef. So we're going to spend our whole day with him today. Your kids going to love it. We're going to cook some delicious food and especially iconic food. That's why you have to choose Nestle. And we're going to visit some beautiful places around his house. So guys, join us and enjoy the video.
There you go, alright? So we go for a trip first.
Yeah.
I've got lots of prep done already.
We're going to visit somewhere, but still we don't know where. We'll see. Exciting. Say hi to camera.
Oh, there you go. Oh, that's your car. About 10 years ago, because this was all sinking down.
Where?
This whole area was collapsing. Yes, so you can see on the face over there, it's in concrete. They've stabilised the shore. I think just down here as well, they've stabilised it. That'd be a good walk along here too. There you go.
This place called Oliver's Hill. Don't forget to visit Frankston when you visit Australia because this city has a lot more to offer for you. Yeah, there's a walking path down there.
But because people weren't allowed to fish, they weren't allowed to go out in their boats, there's been more dolphins, whales and everything coming inside. Nature is...
So finally we are here. I'm going to show you something very cute and very unique, and it is the surprise that he told us about. It's like huge gnome. Just in front of the Frankston private hospital. You can take photos of videos, everything and it's going to be amazing with him. So we did all our shopping and now it's time to cooking. That's the most exciting thing today.
Cooking time.
It's cooking time. Hi guys, it's time to make some treats. We're using a special brand, Nestle, one of the best brands. So we're using these brands to make our treats today. So what are we going to make, chef?
Cornflake biscuits.
Okay, let's make the cornflakes biscuits.
So first we're going to start with the butter and sugar. 115 grams of butter into the mixing bowl. 50 grams of caster sugar, 90 grams of brown sugar, and we're just going to beat that until it's nice and creamy. That'll take 3 or 4 minutes. We have to mix this until it's pale and creamy. The egg's in there now. Right, it doesn't serve any purpose to overbeat it at this stage. Put the vanilla in. And then we'll add the flour in. The chocolate.
So why did you choose this brand, chef? The Nestle brand?
I think the Nestle brand's a darker, richer, dark chocolate. It's not as sweet as others, and it's good for this recipe because there's a lot of sugar in this recipe. So we need to balance it out with the darker chocolate.
Use this brand, Nestle, to make your every treat delicious and quality.
As soon as it's combined, it's ready. But we're going to slightly change the recipe. You're just going to crunch a few of these into it. Just a handful.
The chef told me that for this recipe we only cost $4, which is really cheap, and you can make this out of your day-to-day ingredients at home. So it can be very reasonable, isn't it, Chef?
That's right. These things you normally have in your pantry, so just something to whip up, keep the family happy for a while. Okay, now comes the good part. Just a little chef's trick. Bunker down in the corners with a bit of spray. That'll stop them from curling up when they're in the oven. Put baked paper on them. Okay. Now we'll roll. Just get the dough into the cornflakes and flatten it down. So we'll spread a little bit. That's what you want. So if you want me to do this, you can do that. Do this, because everyone can have a go.
Yeah, even
If you haven't got a small ice cream scoop, use a dessert spoon or a tablespoon and get so they're all roughly the same size.
Your kids gonna love it because they can help you to make this too. So they're gonna have self-confidence and they're gonna have some skills.
And they're gonna eat them.
Yeah, they love it.
Got the biscuits cooking at 160 degrees for around 12 to 14 minutes. Remember to keep your oven shut whilst you're getting the other tray so you don't lose the heat. 12 minutes. And then we'll check. Okay, now the biscuits are ready. Firm to touch. The aroma is, smell that. Yum. And they've got a little bit of colour on the bottom. They're hot. Very hot.
Yeah, that smells very rich. And chef, the very interesting thing that the flakes are still same. It didn't burn. Yeah.
No, because you cook it at 160. If your oven's a bit warm, it will burn. But I turned it because I know my oven. I turned it down a little bit under 160, and they didn't burn. And they're lovely, and there's
it seems very fresh and beautiful.
Sri Lankans wouldn't like these because they're not sweet enough.
So the chocolate chips also same. Didn't they melt? Oh.
The chocolate, the Nestle chocolate.
Ah, yes.
The Nestle chocolate melts without crystallizing. That's it, because it's the chocolate melt.
Yeah, that's perfect.
It's designed to do that.
So that's why you have to choose Nestle.
Nestle.
I'm gonna taste my cookie. It's really soft and crunchy If you see that the colors are the same, nothing burnt, the chocolate flavor and the softness of the middle, it's like it's fresh and rich, it's creamy and chocolatey, it's everything's there. So your kids gonna be love it. You try at home and send us your comments. So guys, thank you very much for watching us and hope you have an amazing day. So I'm gonna teach my chef how to make milk toffee today, Sri Lankan milk toffee, using Nestle condensed milk.
Enjoyed everything we've done today. The food was yummy, the company was good, and I'm sure that you'll make headways to Tiya's Facebook page. At Travel at Tiya, Tiya at Travel.
Travel with Tiya.
Travel with Tiya as well. More than one.
Yeah, that's my YouTube channel.
YouTube channel. So if you like any of these recipes that we've sort of given to you, put a heads up. Thumbs up to everyone.
Thank you, chef. Thank you. Special thanks to my chef and always the best chef to give us everything that you've done today.
All the secrets are out.
Yes. So guys, thank you very much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell button to receive all my latest notifications. Thank you very much and hope you have an amazing day. Thank you.
Okay, now we're going to have a food fight.
Yeah. Okay, bye.